How do you use words to influence others? The art of persuasion is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your goals, win people's hearts, and make a positive impact on society. However, it requires a deep understanding of human nature, effective communication skills, and an ethical approach to influence others. In this chapter that we are looking into right now, of my book, The Power of Words, we will explore the key principles and techniques of persuasion that can apply in various contexts, from business negotiations to personal relationship. That is why you really need to sit back and listen to me. Now, understand your audience. That is the first rule of persuasion, is to know your audience. You need to understand their needs, values, and fears and aspirations to tailor your message accordingly. Whether you are speaking to a client, a colleague, or a friend, you should use their language, references, and cultural background to connect with them on a personal level. For instance, if you are pitching a product to a tech-savvy audience, you should focus on the features and benefits of the product. While if you are talking to a family-oriented person, you should highlight the emotional benefits and the impact on their well-being. Be authentic and credible. That is the second step you need to take. Now, people are more likely to follow someone who they trust and respect. Therefore, it is crucial to build your credibility and authenticity by being honest, transparent, and consistent. You should provide relevant data, evidence, and testimonials to support your claims and avoid exaggerating or manipulating the truth. All right? Now, also, you should show your passion, expertise, and commitment to your cause and inspire others to join you in your journey. Let's take a look at the third thing you need to look at. That is use emotions and stories. Now, emotions are the fuel of persuasion. Are you aware of that? People are more likely to take action if they feel emotionally engaged and connected to your message. Therefore, you should use emotional triggers such as happiness, fear, anger, and hope to make your point. For instance, you can use stories, anecdotes, or metaphors to illustrate your message and make it memorable. All right. Now, by telling a story that resonates with your audience experience, you can create a sense of empathy and trust that will increase your influence. Let's quickly take a look at the use of persuasive language. Language is a powerful tool that can shape people's perception and behavior. Therefore, you should use persuasive language that appeals to people's values, beliefs, and interests. Some of the most effective linguistic techniques include using powerful words that evoke strong emotions and desires, such as you, free, new, proven, limited, now, etc. Framing your message in a positive light, emphasizing the benefit rather than the drawbacks. That is the secret. Using social proof, such as statistics, testimonials, or endorsements, to show that your argument is widely accepted and respected. Of course, asking questions that lead to a positive response, such as, wouldn't you like to be more productive? Or, don't you think this is a great opportunity? All right, now provide a clear call to action. Finally, the most important element of persuasion is to provide a clear call to action. You should tell your audience what you want them to do, how they can do it, and why they should do it. Whether you are asking them to buy your product, sign up for your service, or support your cause, you should make it easy, attractive, and compelling for them to take the next step. You can offer incentives, discounts, bonuses, or guarantees to sweeten the deal and reduce their perceived risk. In conclusion, the art of persuasion is a complex and multifaceted skill that requires a combination of knowledge, empathy, creativity, and ethics. By following these principles and techniques, you can increase your persuasive power and make a positive impact on the world. However, you should always remember that persuasion should serve a higher purpose and align with your values and principles. As Aristotle said, persuasion is clearly a sort of demonstration. Since we are most fully persuaded when we consider a thing to have been demonstrated. I believe you are learning a lot from this, all right? And this is why I'm calling on you to pick up this book, and I'm giving to it for free. Pick up this book and look into it. And the truth is this, going through it is going to make you to become a great presenter when it comes to you dealing with your customers or you dealing with your audience. As a pastor, as a business owner, or whatever field you find yourself, this book is a must grab for you. Quickly, don't waste your time. Click the link below and grab your copy. This is the voice of Dr. Sam K. I'm going to see you in our next video. Until then, remain blessed. Dr. Sam K, Word Connect, empowering the world. Bye-bye for now.